They try to hide your potential. Dim your light that shines so bright, but they fail. They will always fail. I grew up in the most beautiful place in the world. If you look at the maunga, the awa, the ngahere, it's paradise. But it's such a underestimated place.
And right now at the whānau, Nikau Grace.
Cool, g'day, Debbie.
Oh, she's amazing, and look at what she's done.
You are a giant force to be reckoned with. Round of applause, everyone.
I think people write Kawerau off pretty quickly just because of how small it is or things that they've heard. Lots of kids are told that they won't amount to anything because, oh, you're from Kawerau. Like, no one does, But I think that we have incredible potential, and I want other people from here to feel the same way.
Hi, pretty girl. How are you? Hello. Oh, group hug. Hi.
So we go into the hall?
Yeah. Okay, come on then.
Kawerau Putauaki School is such a bright, vibrant place. And for lots of those kids, it's their safe place and it's their favourite place. I go in on my teacher-only days and do what I can to help out or hang out with the kids.
We get a lot of whakaiti kōrero mō ngā tamariki o tēnei rohe. I think our children have grown into that, and it's such a sad thing. They deal with things that tamariki shouldn't have to.
So does anyone want to share what they want to be when they grow up?
Yeah.
Oh!
It's more evident in our town now than it ever has been, but I don't think that defines us. We can come together and help guide our tamariki through these hard times. Shining example is Nikau.
What are you going to be, Nala?
I want to be a doctor and a singer.
A doctor and Are you going to be the singing doctor?
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's so important to have those role models that our babies, our tamariki, even our older tamariki can aspire to. Not necessarily want to be Nikau, but know that their own personal dreams and aspirations can be met. It's achievable. It's a possibility. I want to do that.
Honestly, I feel awesome going back every time.
Where do you want to go from? Second verse?
Okay.
Keep that flame alive. We probably only got one pass of the verse so far, eh?
What?
Not that you need many more. Let's go again.
Okay. So my WAIATA came about from a slam poetry that I wrote, which just said how you have potential and not to limit yourself or believe you can't do it. Talked about a flame and how people try to blow it out or extinguish it. And it's your job to protect it and look after it and let it grow.
Keep that flame alight. Keep that flame alight. Ooh.
And I'm really hoping that when people finally get to listen to it, that it helps them in whatever way that they need. Yeah. Kawerau has given me so much, and I guess this WAIATA is almost my love letter back to this town. I see love, I see hope, I see belief, and I see dreams in this community. Everyone has dreams, and I really want this WAIATA to inspire people to chase them. Ko koe rā te kurahuna e muramura mai ana. E pukauri mai ana kei kewa. Toa tārangi ka māhue mai ki muri, kia whiti ki ngā koe e te rā.